So it's Cynthia and I'm out in nature. I'm actually at one of my favorite places to go, and it's a beautiful reservoir. And just taking a morning stroll. Enjoying the beautiful greenery all around. It's so beautiful. Sometimes I come down that little hill there. There are a set of stairs here. There's so many cool things all around. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is one of my favorite places to come to. Look at the trees all the way over. That little tower that's all the way up there. Amazing. 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 I'm just hanging out, and I stumble upon this beautiful reservoir, and I come here a lot, and it's always so beautiful. I haven't been here for a while because I've been actually just out on so many different adventures, but it's nice to just return to that place that actually made you fall in love with nature, and this is truly one of those places. So I'm coming down the path, this little hill here, watching some of the birds. It's a little overgrown today, which is odd because it's always so well manicured around here. But I'm just going to take you this way. It's so beautiful. One of my favorite places. And the sky, you know, I'm always checking out the clouds. Always checking out the sky. It's so clear today and so beautiful. And it's just a little peaceful walk today. A nice peaceful walk out in nature. Sometimes I come up here with my dog Cody. She hangs out with me. She was a little bummed this morning that Mom didn't bring her. But look at those trees over there. It's fall season, so you know the foliage. Beautiful yellow, orange, and reds over there. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. But up there is where I come. And it's fall season. So you see all the pines on the ground. Sometimes I just sit right here on this ledge and just relax. Sometimes I'll go down and go down to the lake down there. It's a beautiful lake down there. And it's other parts around here. Sometimes I go hiking around here. There are beautiful hills and valleys, so it's nice. So today I'm just going to hang out here on this bench. Just hang out and just have a seat and just look at peace. I'm reminding myself to peace, be still. Those trees are so beautiful, so healthy, so beautiful. So beautiful. It's a beautiful view. That's a beautiful picture of land, air, and sea. Beautiful. Land, air, and sea. Trinity. Trinity. So, I'm just going to hang out here a little bit. Enjoy my morning. They actually have a waterfall here. They haven't had it on for a while. I haven't been here for a while, but I don't hear it. But when the waterfall is going, it's the most incredibly beautiful experience. because you hear all the water in the background as you're sitting here. And it's just so amazing that there is not a cloud in the sky. Not one cloud in the sky. It's beautiful all around. It's incredible. So I'm out today loving nature. Always loving nature. Always connecting with nature. And as I connect with nature, I'm connecting with who I really am. Peace, love, light, goodness. All good things. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful experience of peace today. And I hope it reminds you to peace be still. That no matter what's going on around you, there's always peace. Always peace. Enjoy your day, and thank you for coming along with me today on this peaceful journey. I hope this inspires you to get out and look at the beautiful leaves changing. It's fall. The yellows, the orange, the reds, everything that is spinning its leaves, and it will be back next year, you know? I always used to think of fall as everything dies and fall gets ready for the winter, but no, it's the leaves aren't, the leaves are dying, but the trees are still alive and they're vibrant and they're whole. So now I look at fall in a whole new way now. I look at the beautiful colors of the trees, and I just look at just the change, you know, like a butterfly. It's a metamorphosis, a change. And we all go through changes. We all go through changes in our lives, and it's a good thing. I'm always reminded that all things are working together for the good of those who love the Lord. So change is good. Everything is working out for us. Everything is working together for us. So I hope this has inspired you today to get out into nature and find love in nature. Open up to nature, and nature will open up to you. Be inspired and enjoy. Enjoy. Enjoy.